What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Debrew, and in this video I'll explain to you the alternative to Facebook ads if you want to run sweepstake offers. So for the last couple of years I've been talking about promoting sweepstake offers using paid traffic, and in this video I will show you an alternative to Facebook ads. If you are not aware, I just basically launched the Debrew Suite Beta. The next software went online. So we have a free landing page builder, a free cash flow manager, a free community, and a free event calendar while in beta. The tracker and the spy tool are coming next, and you can find that through the link in the description. Facebook ads are basically great because they have high user engagement. So this means that the people who are on the platform for solely one reason: to consume content, and that's why the sweepstake offers tend to work really well. There's a lot of information distributed by its users, and in addition to that, the ads that people are seeing are usually to buy goods. Then if an ad shows for a sweepstake, obviously people are more intended to opt into such a thing than pull out their credit card and buy something. The bad thing obviously with Facebook, everything going on, it gets worse and worse and worse, is the bans. However, this creates an opportunity to switch to a new platform. I, in my opinion, would recommend you to run push notification ads, because with push ads you have a low barrier of entry. The system is quite simple. You can sign up, and for one, if you do something which is not aligned with the rules, your ad will get disapproved, but you will not get banned. So you can try it over and over and over again until basically your system works. It is very easy to get started. Basically, a campaign to set up takes about 10 to 15 minutes, whereas with a Facebook ads campaign you would have to do a lot of research. So comparing Facebook ads to push ads, for example on Zero Park or Propeller ads, the barrier of entry is way lower, gives you an opportunity to get started faster. When we look at creating a campaign, it's maybe 6 ads, right? 3 headlines, 3 images. So well, that's 9 ads, but let's say 2 headlines, 3 images. Then we create it. We have to do some settings, of course, and I have a tremendous amount of videos on my channel about push notifications, so you can check it after this video on how to actually build such a campaign. But it's very easy to optimize and scale. For the optimization, we use the 3-day rule when running sweepstakes on push ads, and for the scaling, we basically just increase the bid. It's not that difficult to get more traffic. There is one big problem, however, because obviously, why are push ads not in favor of everybody? Because it has its own problems. And one of these problems, which I often run into, is stability, right? Scalability is one thing. So I doubt anybody can manage all of these campaigns if you run 5K a day in spend, which is kind of unheard of. So it's more for smaller budgets. However, the stability is my biggest frustration, because the ROI is very fluctuant. So one day might be plus 200, then it's 40% ROI the next day, the day after minus 20, then it's 10%, then it's 200% again. So you will always have to work with a 7-day average, very important. It is quite similar to native ads in terms of the optimization and the scaling. In terms of the stability, still on native, we work with a 7-day average, but it more has to do so with optimization patterns. On push, stability for me is the biggest problem, definitely. When we look at the list of recommendations, obviously you need to get started somewhere. zeropark.com, propellerads.com, adcash.com, richpush.co, I think, and megapoo.sh is basically the website. So these are some of the resources you can use. And on push to run, obviously the single opt-in will be one of the highest performance, where users only have to leave their information to opt into the offer. Then we have double opt-in, which basically means they fill in their information, they get an email, and they have to confirm to subscribe to the email list. Wouldn't recommend to use those type of offers. Pin submit, mobile carrier billing, also wouldn't recommend that. I would recommend either single opt-in or credit card trials, which are a little bit more of an advanced flow. So if you are a beginner, definitely stick with single opt-in. You can reach the biggest potential there. So if you are a Facebook marketer looking for a traffic source where it's easy to get started, basically means $100, $200 to get started. Have a look around. Very easy to set up. You can set it up in 15 minutes, not a problem. Then I would definitely recommend you push notifications ads. If you have questions about push ads or you gave it a shot, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'll be sure to have a look and reply to everything you're asking or recommending me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.